Home remedies for vaginal discharge. Leukorrhea, or vaginal discharge, is common among women. It is a thin or thick discharge of fluid, white, clear or another color in nature that is sometimes odorless or has an odor. It happens between your menstrual cycles or during pregnancy. It can last from a couple of days to a couple of weeks. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar will restore your natural pH balance. It will also reduce odor and protect your flora, the natural bacteria found in your vagina. You can either take it as a drink or use as a vaginal Washington. To use it as a drink, mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water. If you do not like the taste, you can also add honey and or lemon juice. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are also used to help vaginal discharge. It too will help restore your natural pH balance and restore your levels of estrogen. The seeds boost your immune system. All you need to do is drink fenugreek tea each day to see results. Number 3. Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry is good for the health of your vagina. It also has vitamin C to boost your immunity. You can eat or drink it daily to see results. Number 4. Banana. Bananas are good for stomach problems as well as helping reduce vaginal discharge as it maintains the health of your vagina. Eat a banana or 2 a day to restore your vaginal discharge back to normal. Number 5. Figs. The fig acts as a laxative or bowel movement medicine which helps relieve the body and remove toxins or bacteria. You can either drink it or use it as a vaginal Washington. To use it as a vaginal wash, you can cut the fruit open and rub it on your vagina. It is best to do this while in the shower so you do not make a mess. Number 6. Cranberry juice. You remember how your mother tells you to drink cranberry juice because it will ward off yeast infections and urinary tract infections? It actually does remove the wrong bacteria from your vagina, allowing it to not attach to your wall. You can drink cranberry juice daily to see results.